Do you think that stock market is gambling? The biggest problem today is not of savings, but people thinking that investing in stock market is like gamble and then they lose out on a lifetime opportunity. Hi, this is Paresh Desai. I'm a chartered accountant. I've got 25 years experience in the stock market and financial markets and 15 years experience as the coach and trainer. I've helped thousands of people understand how the stock markets work and how they can actually make a huge capital and a portfolio out of the stock market investments. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why people think that stock market is a gamble and how you can take benefit of those things, and actually it could be a turning point in your life when you are thinking of growing your portfolio. So I'm going to share you the top 5 reasons. The first reason why stock market people think is a gamble is because simple that they have heard that it's a gamble, right? People think that someone has told me that this was he lost so much money, and somebody else also you might have heard that okay, that fellow lost many lakhs of rupees or sometimes crores of rupees. So you have heard only negative stuff about the stock market. That is one reason why you think that stock market is a gamble. The second reason why people think that stock market is a gamble is because there is no proper study of technical or fundamental analysis. Okay, because without the proper study of technical and fundamental analysis, what would happen? The person treats it like a gamble, and he would not have any base or any study on which he could actually decide his trades and do it in a scientific way. The third reason why the person would think as a gamble would be on the investment based on tips. Okay, so you heard that tip is something which you want like somebody to tell you, okay, just invest in this stock and you need not even think. Okay, so I used to get tips many years back saying that you invest in this particular stock and then you are rest covered for your rest of your life. Okay, probably you can cover your grandchildren or children's wedding out of these stocks. So don't go on the tips. If you buy on tips, that is one reason why the stock is going to fail and you're going to lose money out of that. The next reason why people fail or think that it's a gamble is because the gambler is in a gambling attitude. Okay, he wants a quick buck. So anything which asks for a quick buck, right? You want like quick money. There are no free lunches. So you have to have proper study. And without that proper study, without the technical analysis, without the fundamental analysis, if somebody is going to just think that, okay, I just want to invest money, and within 1 year or within an even shorter period, I want my money to get doubled. Okay, so that is not the case. There is nothing like that in the market. And if people get, trapped in that, then everybody should be careful not to get trapped by those tips and just a haphazard investing. Right. The next reason why people lose money and think that it's a gamble is because they buy shares just because that stock is cheap. Just because the stock is cheap does not mean that it is good. And they have heard about some good names. Yes, this was a good name. This is a good name and it is good time to buy now. That's what people think. But no, what you think need not be the actual fact. In fact, the company could be in a very bad position and it may not be able to recover also. Right? So if something like that happens, then what would happen is that the money which is invested would get even eroded, your capital gets eroded. That's how you lose money. So if you realize that these are the 5 things which are going to eat up your money in the stock market, then yes, that is the reason why people think that it's gambling and then they lose money. So if you just analyze and all those 5 ones which I've given earlier and just think about it, then this could be a really life-changing opportunity for you, where you start thinking of stock market as something which can be a huge game changer for you and you can start accumulating your wealth. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe it, and also comment below what are your thoughts on this. And if you want to learn more about how to invest in the markets based on the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, on the futures and options, then you can join my free video group which will be on for the webinars. I'll post, you can find in the comment box below link for joining the free webinar. So there is a webinar group on WhatsApp, you can join that, and I'll be posting the details about the next free webinar which will be there. I hope you like this video, and hope to sharing more such valuable videos with you in the future. Once again, thank you very much. This is Paresh Desai